Hi everybody, Derek here and welcome to English for Professionals. If this isn't your first time here, welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to share 15 advanced adjectives to help you boost your business English vocabulary. And before I forget, make sure to download my free Business English Booster. You'll find a link in the video description below. It's packed with free PDF downloads and MP3s to help you boost your business English vocabulary. And now let's get started with our first adjective. The first word we're going to look at is lucrative. So if something is lucrative, it produces a lot of money or profit. For example, a business deal or a really good product, that makes a lot of money. Lucrative deal, lucrative product. Let's have a look at a couple of examples. Their latest product launch proved to be highly lucrative. So they made a lot of money. Highly lucrative. Second example, the merger turned out to be a lucrative deal for both companies. So a merger is when two companies become one. And by doing this, in this particular context or this example, both companies made a lot of money. So it was very positive for both companies. Our next adjective is surefire. And we use this to talk about something that we know will work. Something that is certain to be successful. No chance of failure. So let's have a look at a couple of examples. Offering exceptional customer service is a surefire way to improve customer satisfaction. So if you have really good customer service, it will improve customer satisfaction. There's no chance that it won't. It's a surefire way to do that. Second example, collaborating with the right influencer is a surefire way to boost your brand. So if you find the right person, the perfect person for your brand, influencer, and you work together with this person, it's a no-brainer. It will work. It's a surefire way to boost your brand. A no-brainer, by the way, is something that you don't even have to think about. You know that this is the right thing to do. It will work. Untapped. So if something is untapped, it means it hasn't been fully used yet or exploited. So to exploit something means to take advantage of it, to use it completely to your advantage. Okay, so examples. First one, our expansion plan should include untapped regional markets. So the company wants to expand. There is lots of potential in those regional markets. So that's where we need to start. There's potential there. We haven't fully used it. Untapped markets. Next example, there is a lot of untapped talent in our junior employees. They could be future leaders. So again, the potential is there. It hasn't been fully used. We have young employees. They still have lots to offer, and we need to take advantage of that. Renowned. If something or someone is renowned, it's known or talked about by a lot of people. It's very famous. And we often use it to talk about companies, famous companies, or business people, or even talk about the reputation of a company. Let's have a look at some examples. The company is renowned for its exceptional customer service. So here we have exceptional customer service again. So if a company is renowned for its exceptional customer service, it's really well known. Do you know any companies out there in the world that are renowned for exceptional customer service? If so, leave an example sentence in the comments. And don't forget to let me know what your favorite words are in this lesson. Leave me a comment and let me know. And if you'd like to try some example sentences, do that too, and I'll give you some feedback. Okay, our second example is we invited a renowned expert to speak at the conference. So someone who is very well known, very famous. And that's going to be good for our conference when we have a renowned expert speaking at it. Ingenious. This means very clever and original. We often use it to talk about design, products, ideas, solutions. Let's have a look at some examples. The product's ingenious design was a major selling point. So really clever, original design, and this helped the company to sell more of this product. Ingenious design. Second example we have, Simon came up with an ingenious solution to the supply chain issue. So in Simon's company, they've been having a problem with the supply chain. He came up with a very clever and original way to solve the problem. So an ingenious solution. High flying. This means ambitious and successful, and we can use it to talk about people or businesses. Our first example, Sharon is a high flying executive with excellent leadership skills. So she's very ambitious and successful, and maybe that's why she's in an executive position. Second example, Bill is a high-flying entrepreneur who owns several successful businesses. So again, he's an ambitious, successful guy. We can see that because he owns several successful businesses. Prolific. We use this word to describe someone or something that produces a lot of work or results. Examples, our R&D department is known for being highly prolific in innovation. So they are regularly producing a lot of innovative products. So they're always busy. There's a lot of things coming out of the R&D department in terms of innovation. They are prolific. Next example, as a prolific salesperson, George consistently exceeds his targets every quarter. So this guy just sells and sells. He gets great results. He's prolific. Every quarter, really great results, high sales, very good for the company. He's prolific, a prolific salesman. Invaluable. So this is a great adjective, but it's tricky to pronounce. Don't say invaluable. It's invaluable. Invaluable at the end. And if something's invaluable, it means that it's extremely useful. It can help you and your business in a great many ways. Let's have a look at some examples. Her insights and experience have been invaluable to the project's success. So her insights and experience, extremely useful. So a big contributor to the success of the project. Extremely useful, invaluable. Next example we have, the feedback from our customers has been invaluable. Invaluable. Okay, so this feedback, extremely useful. It has helped us, for example, to improve our products or improve our service. Unprecedented. We often use this to talk about things that have never been seen or done before. So something that's very exciting, very new. Let's take a look at some examples. The company achieved unprecedented growth this quarter. So a huge difference. Something big happened, never been seen before, a huge increase. So great for the company, never seen before, unprecedented. Another example, we are facing unprecedented challenges in the global market. So unprecedented challenges, this one is more negative, things that we haven't had to deal with before. So yeah, lots of problems, lots of things to try and figure out. Unprecedented challenges, not so positive. Game changing, another great adjective. If something's game changing, it has a significant impact. It's revolutionary. Let's have a look at an example. Their new technology is game changing for the industry. So a company comes out with something very new, it hasn't been seen before, and it's going to have a significant impact. It's going to revolutionize the industry. It's game changing. Second example, implementing AI in our processes has been a game changing move. So doing this has had a significant impact. It has revolutionized the way we look at our processes, the way we do business. Astute. This describes someone who is very clever and quick at seeing what needs to be done in a particular situation, especially when it means getting an advantage for the person or their business. So we often say an astute business person, someone who makes good decisions and has good business knowledge. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. The manager's astute decisions saved the company from financial troubles. So, clever, quick at seeing how to make the right decision to save the company when they were having financial problems. Second example, Tom is known for his astute analysis of market trends. So, Tom is very good. He's very clever and quick at seeing what's happening in the market. Proactive. If someone is proactive, they control situations by making things happen rather than waiting for things to happen and then reacting. Let's have a look at some examples. A proactive approach to customer service improves client satisfaction. So instead of waiting for things to happen, for customers to suggest things or customers to complain about things, a proactive approach, doing things before. So making sure certain things are done to prevent those things from happening. So a proactive approach. Really nice combination of words. Now, the next one is being proactive in identifying market opportunities is key to staying ahead. So again, thinking kind of in advance, making things happen, looking at the market, trying to stay ahead of the competition. So being proactive, making those things happen rather than waiting for things to happen. Charismatic. If you are charismatic, you have a natural ability to attract and interest other people and make them admire you, make them look up to you. So, they want to be around you, they want to listen to you. You're charismatic. Example sentences. Sylvia's charismatic leadership style made her very popular in the company. So, yeah, Sylvia has that natural ability to attract people. People like her, they want to listen to her, they want to be around her. She's got this charismatic leadership style. Very, very positive for any business if you have a leader like this. Jeremy is a charismatic speaker who easily engages his audience. So Jeremy has that ability to connect and build a rapport. So to kind of very quickly get a good atmosphere, spread positive vibes, get people to listen to him also. So he's a charismatic speaker. Approachable is a great characteristic for any manager or leader to have. If you're approachable, it means that you're friendly and easy to talk to. You are accessible. You're not closed off. You don't give people the impression that you don't want to talk to them. It's the opposite. Let's have a look at some examples. So the manager's approachable manner made her very popular among staff. So people feel they can go and speak to this person, make suggestions, ask for advice, and so on. So she has an approachable manner. Second example, she's known for being approachable and always ready to listen to new ideas. So again, very similar to the first one. She's known for being approachable. Yeah, so people have no problem going to her and, as I said before, asking for advice, suggesting things. That this person, you can go and talk to them. They are friendly, they will listen, they are accessible. Dynamic, full of energy, new ideas, always changing, always progressing. Dynamic. Our examples: the company operates in a highly dynamic industry. So things are always happening in this industry. It never stands still. There are new innovations. Things are constantly changing. New ideas, new people, new products, and so on. A highly dynamic industry. Second example, the team's dynamic performance led to record-breaking sales. So dynamic performance, always bringing in new ideas, trying to change things, do things differently in a positive way. So dynamic performance, and we had dynamic industry. If you like this advanced vocabulary lesson, give it a thumbs up and watch one of these next.